Pranati, and we are going to start the story. Okay. So, all of you know about Navratri. What we do? Do you have any idea what we do during Navratri? Tell me. Simple basic thing is we get ready and we go for play. Play with what? Dandiya steps. But what all things else we do? Okay. What else we do? Do you know what else we do, Meshka, during Navratri? She got dressed up, okay? So she knows how to play Dandiya. Yes? How you play Dandiya? Yes, very good. So this is how we play Dandiya during Navratri. Yes? We wear beautiful chanya choli. Yes? We wear the traditional dresses. Yes? Wait, you have to just listen to it, okay? So I have a story, something for you. Okay, so all your eyes please here, come forward a little, just fold your hands, okay? So this is a book about a little book of Navratri, okay? So we have beautiful illustrations over here, I mean the beautiful pictures, colorful pictures. See what is happening in the picture. Look, what do you see? What do you see here? We have, what is this? Ravana, okay, the making of the Ravana. There some people are painting the Ravana picture, okay, the idol. What we do to Ravana? We burn the Ravana using that bow and arrow. Yes, with a fire. Yes, yes. Yes, okay. True. Okay. So during Navratri, we pray to different goddesses. Okay. So we have Navratri. Do you know why we call Navratri? We have 9 days of Navratri. Okay. And the 10th day is called Dashera. Okay. Yes. So see, idols taking shape from. See how with clay we do the playing of clay. Yes. We play with the clay at home. We make something. Yes. We make some creatures. Yes. So how they prepare. This is called Durga Puja. What it is? Durga Puja. Okay. They make beautiful idols and they pray them. Okay. Yes, they pray. Do all that pujas. Okay. Yes. They decorate the whole pandal very beautifully. Yes. See, paper, clay, brass, and bamboo. So what are things they use? Paper, clay, brass, bamboo. Okay. So they also decorate some matkis. Okay. See, they also prepare some beautiful matkis. But everywhere though I can't reach, right? Like this. So I'll keep like this, okay? They make some small idols. They make small idols, okay? छोटे मूर्तियाँ बनाते हैं, okay? They decorate some beautiful matkis, small matkis, and painted dolls of all the kinds too. Okay, when they do the puja, they all keep small making dolls like of the gods and goddesses. Okay, yes. Now, can you see what is happening over here?
Ayan,
Listen,
beta.
The song is playing. Okay, the Garba night. See, we do that song Garba. Okay, this is called Garba Navratri. Different kinds of sounds are there in different languages and different states. So this is how they decorate. See, at home. Puja, they make some the stairs kind of a setup and they keep so beautiful dolls. Yes, they do diyas. These are some fruits. Yes, some photographs of the gods and goddesses. This is all the coconut. Okay, they keep a small coconut. These are the fruits, beta. They are playing garba. They are playing dandiya. They are playing dandiya like this. Yes. No, okay, no. Wait,
That is.
This is puja. They keep the agarbatti. You know that incense stick it is.
But it is a god or real?
They all are sitting together. When we do puja, we sit together and do puja at home.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Then they play some garba. Okay. This is also called Ras Leela.
No, Shivai.
It is also called Ras Leela. Yes, they play. And then during the Durga Puja in other states, what they do is they play the dhol, the big dhol. They pick the drums like this. Bada dhol hota hai. They play that drums. Okay? Okay, enough. Okay.
Beta, this is not a dhol, it's a table.
Wait, Beto, wait. Just listen, okay? So we listen lot of traditional music. Wait, aa gaya Mishka.
Mishka. Betul.
Shall I close the book now? Shall I close?
Ma'am, close the book and don't make Shiva anyone do anything now.
Okay. Mishka. Fold your hands, please. Fold your hands. See. Now there is one natak. You know, see, there's a play. How you do the plays in the school, right? You play different characters, right? So they have set up a stage. Okay. They play a role of Ram, Sita, Lakshman, Hanuman, and Ravana. Okay. During the Navratri. But why? Yeah, they build up a big stage and they play. Ravana is not here. I mean, this is the basic setup. Okay. Yes, they just after the play, like you know, once the play is done, they go on the Ravana. Okay. See, we also go to visit Mela. There's a Mela, right? You sit on the giant wheel. Yes. There are different elephants. Okay. We take a ride on the elephants. Okay. There are lots of the people playing the drums. Yes. Okay. So they enjoy Navratri like this at home. Then what they do? After doing all those things for 9 days and nights.
6 minutes, okay.
Okay. Then I'll just explain them the. Listen, Adya. See, they do dancing for the 9 days and nights. So there is a rejoice everywhere. They are playing very happily.
2 minutes.
Come. Finish fast. Come, sit. So see, at home we do puja of different devis. So see, you can see the colors of the different devis on the walls. Listen, on the wall we have different colors for each day, and we pray to each goddesses each day. Okay? Can you see all the different goddesses? Yes. And see, on first day we wear yellow. Yes. Second day we wear green. Third day we wear grey. Next we wear orange. Then white. Okay. Sixth day we wear red color. Seventh day we wear blue color. Listen. And then we wear pink color, and then we wear 9 day or purple color. So 9 days, different 9 colors and 9 goddesses. Okay. So this is how we do the Navratri puja. Okay. Why and the puja? Listen to me. The final thing is the Devi kills the demons. Okay.
Mishka,
Devis, all the 9 Devis, they kill
This
the
is your
evil
bottle?
things. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's why we do puja and
Abhi
we
ka
worship them. So no other evil should touch us. Okay. Yes. You got about the Navratri? Yes. Okay. Thank you.